I had a thought which I wanted to share. Some Muslims incorrectly believe that as long as something is lawful, one can indulge in it as much as they please. This attitude contradicts Islamic teachings, as something being lawful does not mean one should indulge in it. In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2451, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon, advised that a Muslim cannot become pious until they avoid something which is not harmful to their religion, out of caution that it will lead to something which is harmful. In addition, the following verse makes it clear that pursuing one's desires, even lawful ones, can lead to misguidance. Chapter 38 Sa'd, verse 26.
And do not follow your own desire, as it will lead you astray from the way of Allah. Indeed, those who go astray from the way of Allah will have a severe punishment for having forgotten the day of account.
This verse outlines the reason why indulging in desires, including lawful ones, leads to misguidance. When one excessively pursues their worldly lawful desires, it will distract them from practically preparing for the day of judgment. This preparation involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Pursuing one's desires will always encourage them to use their blessings incorrectly, which in turn leads to trouble in both worlds. Chapter 20 Taha, verses 124 to 126.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life, and we will gather, i.e. raise him on the day of resurrection blind. He will say, My Lord, why have you raised me blind while I was once seeing? Allah will say, Thus did our signs come to you, and you forgot, i.e. disregarded them, and thus will you this day be forgotten.
One must therefore be kind to themselves, and minimize pursuing their lawful desires, and instead concentrate on using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. As Allah, the Exalted, controls one's spiritual heart, the abode of peace, and controls one's judgment in the hereafter, He will ensure they obtain peace of mind and body in both worlds. Chapter 16 And now, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.